Hello everyone, this is Neha Sharma. Today this is part number 3 of determiners, and we have covered 2 videos already of the same topic, determiners, where we learned about the definition and the kinds of determiners. We also learned what is the position of determiner in a sentence, and we understood that determiners are the words which fix the nouns. Along with that, we started kinds of sentences, where we learned article determiner, and article determiner is divided into 2 further categories, definite and indefinite. When we talk about definite, when we are doing something specific work, there we have to use definite determiner, that is the. So in part number 1 and part number 2, we did 22 rules and where we learnt there where to use the. This is part number 3 of determiner, and here we will learn omission of the, right? That where you cannot use the. So let's have a look on the rules, because here are also many rules. I have written here 5 right now, but I will give you more. So this is what? Omission of the, where the is not used. So rule number 1 says before the names of towns, city, villages, right? Like we are living at Sangria, so we will not write down the Sangria, the Delhi. It is not like that, okay? Or with the name of the villages also we will not use the. So it is only Delhi, Sangria, Himachal Pradesh, any village of yours like Dholnagar, Haripura, any. Okay, so that is what. So it is only, you have to just write down the name of that particular city, particular place, particular state, but you will not use the with that, right? So that is rule number 1 of omission of the. When we talk about rule number 2, before the name of a person, like me, I do not say the Neha Sharma. It is what? It is Neha Sharma only. Your own name also, what you will do, you will not add any the with that, not a, not an, okay? So it is what? Like Ashok, Lal Bahadur, Ram, Mahatma Gandhi, whatever your name is, you will not use the along with your name. But here is one exception with the names. Sometimes we use the, but where that is? Suppose we have to compare someone, a student is very intelligent in mathematics in your class, and we are comparing that person, that student, with Einstein, right? So because mathematician and all, no, scientist he was. So if we are comparing that person with Einstein, so what we will say, there we can use the. So suppose he is the Einstein of our class. So listen carefully, he is the Einstein of the class means I am using this proper noun Einstein, but I am using that as a common noun, right? Here I am comparing one person, one student of my class with Einstein, so that's why I am writing this. Suppose Kalidasa was the Shakespeare of India, right? So Shakespeare, what? That's a famous poet, but that is Shakespeare only, will use as proper noun. But now here I am comparing, and that is what? That is common, that is working as a common noun here. So that's why I can use the with the name, right? Let's understand with the example. So this is the exception. And when the is used with proper nouns, they become common nouns. For example, Kalidasa is the Shakespeare of India. Here this Kalidasa is what? This is proper noun, right? That's why I am not using here the. So Kalidasa is the Shakespeare. This Shakespeare, if you write down Shakespeare only, so that is a proper noun. But I am using this as a common noun here. So that's why I am using here the, right? Of India. Kashmir is the Switzerland of India. So Switzerland is what? That's a proper noun, but I am using this as a common noun. I am comparing Kashmir with Switzerland, but I am using this here. Kashmir is what? Proper, and the Switzerland is common, right? So before, when it becomes a common noun, then we can use the with that. He is the Einstein of our class, as I have discussed earlier. So he is the Einstein of the class. He, I am comparing with Einstein. So Einstein I am using as a common noun here, so that's why I am using here the. Okay, otherwise with the names you will not use the. Next, rule number 3 says before the names of single island. This we have done there also, where we did use of the. So what we did there, we can use the with the island, with the name of the islands where that is in groups. But if the name of the island is in single, right, in singular, so we will not use the. Like Sri Lanka is an island, and that is what we have to do, Sri Lanka only. We will not use the Sri Lanka. Australia, so it is what, it is only Australia, it is not the Australia, right? So these were the first 3 rules where we omitted the, right, where we learned how to do omission of the. So please take the screenshot of this and note down with the exceptions and the examples in your notebook. Now let's talk about rule number 4. Before the days of weeks, before the day of week and the names of the months also, we will not use the. It's directly Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, January, February, March. It's not the January, the February, the March. It's not like that. It's not the Sunday, the Monday. Okay, it is only omission is here of the with the names of the weeks, days of the weeks and months name. Next is 5th, before the abstract noun. Now when we talk about abstract nouns are the nouns which we can feel only, we cannot touch that, right? The feelings are only abstract nouns. So blindness, anger, honesty, beauty, right? These all are what? Abstract nouns. So we will not use the with abstract noun in journal. So that is what? Blindness, anger, honesty, etc. But here is one exception. I have written that exception here. The exception of rule number 5 is written here. But the beauty we say always, because this we are here in this sentence we are talking about the beauty of Noor Jahan. The beauty of Noor Jahan is famous, right? So here we are talking about that particular beauty of Noor Jahan. We have seen, we have just picturized or visualized one image of Noor Jahan, and then that has been particular here. So that's why we are using. Otherwise beauty is what? Beauty is abstract noun. But if we are talking about the beauty of something special, we are making that particular, so there we will use the with that. Second is the example, I praise the honesty of my servant. So here honesty otherwise is what? That is abstract noun. In journal form, honesty is the best policy. It is not the honesty is the best policy. But here when I am talking about the honesty of someone, so there I will use what? The with that. So I praise the honesty of my servant. Last is, I cannot forget the kindness of Mr. Ram. Here I have told you kindness, blindness, anger, honesty, abstract noun. So here kindness is also what? It is abstract noun. But here it has been particular. So I cannot forget the kindness of Mr. Ram, right? So this is by adding this one special person here, I just made that special or particular. So here this abstract noun is not abstract, means we will not use this abstract. This has been particular because we are talking about a person here, right? A kindness of a person here. So that's why here we have to use the. But here when honesty is the best policy, beauty, anger, we have to use, so we will not use the in journal form. Next, rule number 6 says before the material nouns. When we talk about material nouns are the things from are the nouns from which we can make something which can be used as raw material, okay, as can be used as ingredients. So like iron, gold, silver, like this, okay. So iron is very useful material. This is also one exception is there, so please listen that carefully. Before the material nouns if I am talking, so that is what? Gold, water, silver, sand, wood, anything, right? So with that in journal form I will not use the. Like iron is very useful material, so this is what? Iron. This is what? material noun. So I will not, the iron is very useful, right? Directly, iron is very useful. Gold is a precious metal. Gold is a precious metal, because gold is what here? Material noun, right? And in journal I am using this. But exception of this rule number 6 is also there. Like we have exception of abstract noun, we have exception of material noun too. See, understand this with the help of example. The gold we purchased today seems pure. Now I am talking about that particular gold which I purchased today. Otherwise gold is what? Material noun, and we will not use the with that. But I made it particular by saying that the gold we purchased today is very pure or seems pure, right? So that's why we will use here the gold with that, because it has been particular. Now the cotton of Kathiawar is the west of India. Now I am talking about cotton. Cotton is what? In journal it is what? That is a material, right? And we cannot use the with material nouns. But exception is that we are talking about the cotton of a particular place, right? So that is what? That has been particular. Now we have to add the with that, right? So this was all about omission of the, and we have done here 6 rules. So I will give you I will give you 4 or 5 more rules or the omissions of the, but before that you just take the screenshot with the exceptions. Please take care, exception of rule number 5 where it is abstract noun, it is written here, and 6th rule is here which is material noun, and exception is written here only. So please take care. Note it down with the exception. Take the screenshot and note it down. So dear kids, when we talk about rule number 7, it says before arts and sciences, right? As I find mathematics a difficult subject. Drawing and painting are fine arts. So here with these things, means when we talk about the subjects like arts and sciences, there we will not use the with that, right? So that's why, like mathematics is a subject, okay? So with that we will not use the here. Please take care, here I have written arts and sciences. So I find mathematics as a difficult subject. Drawing and painting are fine arts. So here what? Drawing and painting, it's related to arts. So this is what? We will not do the drawing and the painting is my favorite. Directly drawing and painting is my favorite subject. He is good at mathematics. He is not good at the mathematics, right? So it is, you have to avoid it. We will not say he is good at the mathematics. So that will be wrong. So this is rule number 7. Rule number 8 says before meal times, generally, please come to the lunch. That is what? That is wrong. Okay. So before this meal times also, like dinner, breakfast, supper and lunch, we will not use what? The, right? So what we have to use? She was present at dinner. We will not say she was present at the dinner. Generally we people or some people are in habit to add the everywhere they want. So that is wrong actually, and that you know will when you will use such type of words in your speaking also, in your writing also, so that does not give a very good impression of the speaker and the writer. So please avoid such mistakes. So that's why it is very important, you have to see where we have to omit the and where we have to add it the, right? So that's why we are doing all these rules, and moreover you will get the exercises related to this in your exams too, right? So the next one is the sentence breakfast was served at 9. It is not the breakfast was served at 9 or I had my I invited him for the breakfast. We will not say like this, okay? So when we have supper time, it may be lunch, it may be breakfast, it may be lunch, right? It may be anything, any means dinner, supper, breakfast, lunch, anything. So there you will avoid the use of the. Rule number 9 says before school, college, church, bed, table, hospital, market, prison. These words you have to keep in mind, and please understand this rule carefully. Rule number 9, where I am saying you have to omit the before these words which I have written: school, college, church, bed, table, hospital, market, prison, right? When these places are visited or used for their primary purpose, please understand this. As she goes to church on Sundays, this is her primary purpose, because this is her habit. She is a Christian, that's why she goes to church on Sundays. But if the people who are not regular, okay, who are not going there for the primary purpose, we will use the there. It is what? That is the exception of this rule. But before that, where we will not use the, let's understand, where the people like people, college, church, bed, table, hospital, market, etc. With these words we will not use the when we visit there for the primary purpose. If we'll take the example of school, so who is the regular visitor of school? The students and the teachers, right? So the students and teachers will say, I go to school. Teacher will also say, I go to school. But if the parents are going to school, so they will say, I am going to the school of my child, right? Because primary purpose of parents is not to go to school. So student and teacher, they are for the primary purpose. So that's why they will do school only. But the parents or any other visitor, if they want to go there, so they will use the with that. Second example, her uncle is still in hospital. So here I have used hospital only because uncle is a patient and he is sick, that's why he is in hospital. It may happen that he is a doctor, so that's why he is in hospital. But if the patient and the doctor, they are there for their primary purpose, right? But any other visitor, suppose a minister want to visit some wounded person there, so we will say that the minister went to the hospital to visit the wounded people, right? So that is not the primary purpose of the minister. Whose primary purpose is that? That is of doctor and the patient. So doctor and patient will use here hospital, but if any other visitor want to go there, so they will use the there. She stays in bed till 9 every morning. So this is her primary purpose, that's why we have used bed here. Now let's see the exception of this rule, that is the is used with these words when referred to them as a definite place or a building or object rather than to the normal activity, right? I have told you earlier too, like students and teacher, that is their normal activity, that is their routine and their primary activity to go to school. But if parents or any other visitor want to go there, so that is not their primary purpose, that is not their normal activity, right? So when your parents visit to school, is that their regular activity? No, right? So they will use I am going to the school of my child. But if you want to say I am going to school, right? So that's a difference, and that is the exception of this rule. See the exception. The minister went to the hospital. Same hospital I have used here also and here also. But exception is that here the minister whose normal activity is not, that place is not normal or not primary place he is using. So that's why I have used here the hospital. Second is the prison is very near to the police station. So here what? The prison we are using. Generally if we want to use prison here for the primary purpose, so that is what? The criminals live in prison or the prison? In prison, right? But if any visitor want to go there, so that's why we will do the prison. Her parents visited the school. Okay, her parents visited the school because that's not the primary activity. So this is the exception of this the, which is very important, and generally people do mistake in this. Okay, one example I want to give of that journal mistake I just gone through every time. That is what, when students used to write down application, suppose they are writing sick leave, so they are saying, with due respect I want to say that I cannot come to the school today. So that is wrong there, because students, that's their primary purpose is to go to school, so they will do school only. But if parents are doing that, so they will do the. Okay, please keep in this mind and take the screenshot of this rule, and then we will go ahead with omission of the. So rule number 10 says, before the names of the relations like father, mother, aunt, uncle, and also cook and nurse, also here I have included these two words too, with the relations like father, mother, aunt, uncle, any of your relation, with that please note down two words, cook and nurse. So you will not use the with all these words. For example, mother has come back, you will not say the mother has come back. You may say my mother has come back, but her mother has come back, but this the you will not use here, right? So mother has come back means definite article you will not use here, that is what, the. Uncle wants to see him, it is not the uncle wants to see him, it is not like that. Cook has left his job, will not say, it may be our cook, it may be his cook, but it is not the cook has left the job. So that is going to be wrong if we'll use the with all these words. So please note down the words, the relations, and along with that two words, cook and nurse. Okay, nurse served him, it is not the nurse served him, it is wrong. Next rule number 11 says, before plural nouns used to denote a class. This is very important. Boys go to school every day. I am talking about the plural nouns which denote a class, like students go to school. Okay, so doctors serve the humans, okay, or doctors serve the nation, it may be anything. So when we are talking about, we are using this plural noun here, and we are using that a whole class, right? Doctors, teachers, boys, students. Okay, so where there we will not use the boys, because here we are using that those words, those plural nouns to denote a class, right? So when we are using that as a class, we will not use the with that. For example, boys go to school every day, or students go to school every day. Camels are useful animals. Camels are useful animals. So here we have to do, warm clothes are required for winters, or warm clothes are necessary in winters. So that is what we are talking about, all warm clothes here. It may be sweater, it may be jacket, it may be cap, it may be socks, it may be anything, scarf. So that is what we are talking about, the whole class of the warm clothes here. So we will not say the warm clothes, but if we make them particular, that is the exception also of this rule, that but if you are using them as particular, then we will use the with those plural nouns. So let's see exception of this. The boys who go to school every day at 9 o'clock return at 4. So here what happened, boys is what, plural noun, right? And that is not denoting the whole class. In general we are speaking, and we have made them particular now. The boys who went, or the boys who go to school at in the morning, they return at 4, right? So we are talking about that particular set of boys. Next is the camels of Arabia. We are talking about camels, we have used here also. Camels are useful animal, but here we are talking about the entire class of camels. Here I am talking about only the camels of Arabia. So this is a plural noun, but here this is not denoting class, right? So these were the omissions of the. So please take the screenshot of these rules. In all we did 11 rules with the exceptions. So please make clean and neat notes of them, learn them for your examination, and try to solve the exercises given in your practice books. Thank you very much for today. Be safe, be healthy, and keep on learning.